This footage is from April. I was helping my cousin setting up solar panel on top of his house. He will be connecting them to the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra. I forgot to record the Delta Pro Ultra, but I think he was using 4 battery with that unit. Him and his brother already hooked up 8 smaller solar panels for the low voltage side. For the high voltage MPPT, he will be using 10 375-watt solar panel. We use Unistrut to secure the solar panel on the roof with a combination of end and mid clamp. At the end of the day, we install 8 solar panels on top of the roof. 2 additional solar panels will be installed on top of the garage on the other side of the house. My cousins will be able to do the additional solar panel by themselves along with the wiring and conduit. When installing solar panel this high, it is better to have multiple people. I recently reached out to my cousin. He been using the system to run his house without great input. And this is where the last solar panel will be installed. Installing solar system can be expensive. That's why my cousin learned how to do it by themselves. Because I wasn't there to document the final result, there will be some picture at the end to show what it looks like. If you didn't know this was the first time that my cousins are installing solar panel, you would think this was done by a professional. I hope this video was informative. If you like this video, you might enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.